Cute animal encounters. This has to be the cutest 1-week-old cat drinking water ever. This seal loves being underwater and just lifting its nostrils out. This dog is doing a good parenting job. You'd have never known that this was a little mouse. This dog just wants some water. These cats are making me dizzy. This panda is an escape artist. This cat's so cute that you could eat it. This cat's so cute that it could eat you. This elephant has some gnarly dance moves. This is a flock of stingrays. It's amazing to see so many in one destination. This is a koala baby coming out of the koala sack. The raccoon loves whipped cream. The panda is waiting for someone to open the door. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.